All right, welcome to my video. My name is Maz Wife, and I'm just so glad to have you out there. All right, and if this is the first time you're watching my video, I'm just so glad to have you out there, and I want you to be kind enough to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you got to be notified every time I upload a video. I'm an affiliate marketer, and what I do on this channel is bring you tips and tricks and advices that help you to do affiliate marketing and to do it with result. All right, now I've been into affiliate marketing over time, and I make money online doing affiliate marketing. All right, now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your first sales in affiliate marketing, how to make your first sales uh, uh, in affiliate marketing. All right, now I know how it feels when you put in the work as a beginner, and the sales doesn't come in. I know how it feels. I've been there, and at the same time I know how it feels when you put in the work and you have your affiliate sales roll on. Okay, roll into your account. I know how it put wings under you and cause you to fly, and I know how exciting and motivating that can be. All right, so I'm going to be sharing with you about 7 steps or 7 principles that you're virtually gonna if you leverage these principles, you're sure gonna make your first sale online. Okay, now step number 1 is this: you got to be incredibly motivated to succeed. You got to be incredibly motivated to succeed. That means you're going to have to create a big pictures for yourself, what it's going to be like if you succeed doing affiliate marketing. Think about the kind of money you're going to be making. Think about how your status is going to change. Think about the kind of financial freedom that you're going to enjoy. Think about the prosperity that's going to come your way. If there is one thing you must succeed in doing, it is what is at hand right now, and you're just going to give it your best. You're just going to see yourself as your CEO. You are the CEO of your new company, and you got to make this new company to succeed. Motivate yourself to succeed on the inside. Give it your best shot. All right, give it your best shot. You must succeed in this, and this is what it is. All right, now step number 2: decide on a product to promote. All right, stop beating around the bush. Stick with one product. Having signed into an affiliate program, stick with one product and promote that product. Promote that product. Don't jump from product to product. Don't get confused. All right, settle down with a good product. Look at how much that product is converting. Look at how much people are making money from that product. Make sure it is one product within your niche that is carrying the day, that is having the day, and go on and promote that product. Now step number 3: having decided to promote a particular product within your niche, step number 3 is this: you need to research on your product. Research on that product. Gather information on that product. Get first-hand information. Search the internet. Read contents, all right, within the platform about that product. What problem does it solve? Whose problem is it solving? Who is likely to buy into this product? Who fit into this product? All right, you got to research on that product, because what it does is that when you research on that product and get accurate and concise information about that product, you develop the confidence to sell that product. All right, you practically develop the confidence to sell that product. All right, now step number 4 is this: create your customer avatar. And when I say a customer avatar, I mean who fits into your product, who fits into what you're selling. All right, who do you want to work with? All right, who is your perfect customer? How does he think? What is his problem? What are his pain points? Okay, what is he thinking? What does he want to achieve? What is his perfect state gonna be like at the end of the day, having utilized whatever product you are selling? All right, so create a customer avatar of your perfect customer that you want to work with. All right, find out what he feels like, because when you know what he feels like, then you're going to be able to construct the right emails and the right contents, all right, that addresses his feelings and his pain point. All right, now uh, step number 5, create contents. Contents tells your brand story. Okay, you got to learn to create content. Create content. Look at content on the internet. Look at content uh, uh, that are similar to that product, or look at content that people who have been able to market that the particular product that you're trying to market. Look at the content that they have created over time and that is converting, and gather information, get inspiration from their contents, because the contents are just where you're going to be leaving your affiliate links. All right, your content tells your story. Your content help you to market the product, all right, that you're driving on the internet. All right, learn to create good content, excellent content. Your contents must be valuable, your contents must be relevant, and then share your content on the internet. Share your content, push out your content. All right, because your content is a marketing technique that helps you to promote and to get conversions. All right, and step number 6 is this: create a value ladder. In other words, give into the life of your audience first. Give into the life of your visitors first. Give into the life of your prospect first. You got to sow into their life. You got to put content, put value into their life before you begin to ask them to buy from you. Don't just say buy, buy, buy. Give them value. All right, help them to solve their problem, because by helping them to solve their problem, you're creating a relationship, you're creating a trust, you're creating they're going to be confident, they're going to be loyal to you, and they're just going to be confident about doing business with you. So create a value ladder where you give them value. All right, pass value into their life before you ask them to buy. And then finally, create your email list. The money is in the list. All right, learn how to create your squeeze page where you capture emails. All right, because the statistic is this: when people get into your email, or when people come across your product, when you create awareness and create your content, and people come in contact with whatever thing you're trying to sell to them, there is this statistic that at first certain percentage do not buy. They don't buy from you. All right, but when you capture their email and you develop this relationship with them, you're in contact with them, you're talking with them, you're passing information with to them, you're sharing with them, you begin to create this bond and this relationship. You begin to nurture and acquire their interest, and over time they are going to buy from you. And even when they don't buy the first product from you, the second one is likely to fall in. They are likely to buy from you. All right, so this is how to make your first sales in affiliate marketing. All right, now if this video is informative to you, please, I encourage you to go on and hit the notification button, and then subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and please leave a comment. All right, and God bless you. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for being there.